back to Savvy Serena. Today I have 5 uses for car wax that doesn't involve your car or your bathtub. So if you want to learn how to use these, stay tuned and I'll teach you how. Let me start by saying that before you even use the car wax, make sure that you are cleaning the surface first and get it clean before you ever apply wax. That's the first step. And some of these I'm going to tell you need to put on a thin layer of wax. That means scrape that sponge off as much as you possibly can. You don't want a gob of it. That's not a thin layer. You want to scrape off as much as you can get off when I say a thin layer. Scrape off as much as you can do. And then just use that little bit of wax that's already in your sponge to do the whole entire appliance. Also, you can use whatever car wax that you have in your garage. It doesn't matter what kind. It's got to be the paste, which is what this is. You don't want to spray on because then you can't control it. This you can control a little bit better. My first use for car wax is mirrors. So, in your bathroom, to keep it from fogging, you can put a thin layer of car wax on the mirror, let it dry to a haze, and buff it off with a soft cloth. And that will keep your bathroom mirror fogging on those days when you want a hot shower. My next use for wax is for tile and shower doors. So for shower doors, you can do the front and the back of a shower door, wax it, put your wax on there, let it dry to a haze, and wipe it off. You can also do the track that the door is in. Like if you have a rolling shower door, you can do the track. Also, you can do tile. So think of all the places that you have tile in your home. So if you have tile in your shower, you want to make sure that you're cleaning the grout before you do your coat of wax. So you're going to do, like, clean it, get your grout clean, and then put a coat of wax on it. Let it dry to a haze and let it dry. Let it dry to a haze and then clean it off. So of tile, I think behind your stove it'll help get the grease off. Also the tile behind your faucet, your backsplash behind your faucet, you can do that and it'll be easier to clean. You do not want to use it on your floor. You will slip and fall, and then somebody's going to be taking you to the hospital because you done broke something. So do not use it on your floor. Number 3, stainless steel. So I briefly touched this in my last video where I did the faucet, which was supposed to help with all the putting that extra protection on it to keep our faucets from corrosion during all this bleaching. It'll also help with water spots as well. And I briefly said something about stainless steel. So think about all the stainless steel appliances you have in your kitchen that you can use car wax in. When I think of a kitchen, I'm going to say the range hood. If that's stainless steel, you can put it on that. Your refrigerator, your microwave, your stove. It could even be like a canister that's stainless steel. What this will do, prevent fingerprints and smudges on those refrigerators or those appliances that you have that are stainless steel. Number 4, patio furniture. Plastic, metal, and molded furniture. And what that does is helps it from corroding. So, you know the plastic chairs, clean them up real good and then put a coat of wax on them and it'll give them a shine. It doesn't just protect them from the elements outside, but it also gives it a shine, makes it look new again. Number 5, mailboxes, door knockers, outdoor light fixtures. A lot of times these things get rusted over time. And by putting a coat of wax on it helps with that corrosion so it doesn't, so you're not having to replace it so often. So I hope you enjoyed this video. That was my 5 uses for car wax that you have in your garage. So if you have any uses for car wax that you would like to share with me, please let me know, because I would love to know more uses for car wax. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And y'all come back now. Y'all hear?